guys! So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the Animal palette from Urban Decay. It was requested by Miss Winter. Shout out to you, girl. Hi! She put a request in for this to do a makeup tutorial look, so here it is. So I hope you enjoy this really soft sort of purple, plummy, metallic type dramatic eyes, soft cheeks, and just really nice burgundy type nude lip. So enjoy the tutorial, guys. So I already applied my foundation to speed things up. I'm using I used the L'Oreal Lumine foundation and my Maybelline Dream Matte powder to set it with, and now I'm going to apply a little bit of blush. I'm skipping the bronzer today because I don't know, I'm just not really in the mood for it. So I'm using my e.l.f. mineral blush in the shade Coral, and I'm using my little small stippling e.l.f. brush to apply it with. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my Urban Decay Primer Potion. So since a lot of the eyeshadows in this palette are very metallic finish and shiny, I'm also going to incorporate some matte shadows, and I'm going to be using the Beauty Book from e.l.f. in the Natural Look. So I'm going to take a blending brush, and I'm going to take this e.l.f. sort of medium brown shade, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. And I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and just blend that out. I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush, this one's from e.l.f., and I'm going to take the shade Grifter and apply that to the area right down here, right on the eyelid. Now I'm going to take a small blending brush and use the shade Last Call, and we're just going to kind of incorporate that into the crease color and the eyeshadow on the lid. I'm just going to go back and add a little bit more of that Grifter again. So I'm going to go back in with the fluffy brush and go back to that same matte brown from the e.l.f. palette. Smoke it out a little bit. Next I'm going to take a small smudge brush, and we're going to incorporate the colors on the lid and also this pretty purple color in the crease on the lower eyelash line. Now I'm going to take an angled brush, and I'm taking the shade Polyester Bride right here, this sort of shimmery white. I'm going to put just a little tiny bit on the inner tear duct. This really pretty creamy kind of light skin tone color from this same e.l.f. palette that we've been using. I'm going to take the same angled brush to apply a little bit of that right underneath the eyebrow. So now I'm going to take a black kohl pencil and I'm going to line my waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my top lash line with my NYX liquid black eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes. I'm going to go ahead and apply my e.l.f. mascara primer. And while that's dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara to the lower eyelash line, and I'm going to be using today the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express in waterproof, the very black. Alright, so that completes the eyes, and now we're going to do the lip part. And I'm going to be using a lip liner. This is an e.l.f. long wearing lip liner in Bark. Okay, so I lined my lips and I'm going to go ahead and just fill in my whole lip area. I'm going to top it off with a very pigmented lip gloss. This is a Maybelline, I don't know what kind of gloss it is because it wore off. And I'm not sure, oh, the shade is called Plumtastic. And it's just a really pretty... Okay guys, so that completes this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching. And I really am loving this Urban Decay Ammo palette. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. If you want to see more videos from me, just subscribe. Don't forget to check out my Facebook page because I will be uploading pictures of this look so you can see it a little bit better. And if you have a request for any other type of makeup looks you want me to do with this palette, or maybe another palette, or just a look in general, just leave a comment down below and I would love to do that for you guys. So I'll see you next time. Remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye guys.